to show you how to make a cloth mask with hand stitching. I've got 3 pieces of cotton cloth and everything. I've got some string, and I've got 2 elastic pieces. I took one big elastic piece and cut it in half to make it nice and thin. And I'd say that these pieces are like 9 inches by 7 inches. To begin, just take one cotton piece, put it on the ground. Take the second cotton piece, put it in the middle. This one's the cotton piece that's going to show up on top, and then put one on top of that one. Well, actually, first, you have to take the elastic and take a pin and just pin it down there. It's just really easy. Take another pin. First, you should put it through the elastic. That way it'll be easier. There you go. Take another piece. Take another pin. Make sure it's all straight. And yeah, there you go there. And then take this piece and put it on top. And we're going to sew all 3 pieces together. And we're going to leave a little gap right here so that we can like open it up and pull it out. Okay, so I'm just going to start sewing. Make sure you're including all the pieces and the elastic. I'm going to take out the little pin here. I'm going to re-sew over the elastic. I'm going to sew over it a few times just to make sure it stays stable. And yeah, then I'm going to continue sewing along the edge. And just going to tie it. And then you shall cut it like this. Actually, simply take one string, cut it like that, and like that. And just open it up. Like that.
Take out the bands.
Oh, which? And here are the bands on this side. Now just fold it like this.
Correct this one. Straight. Now do it. Stitch it.
Now just stitch over this part. Okay. I'm just gonna fold this part.
Cut the string.
Look. First I have to tie it right here. And then I'm gonna cut the string. And I guess this is enough. Yep, just fold it right here at the top there. Take your needle and just sew right there. I'm just going to knot it.
Take a new string. Take a new string.
I know. Now fold one down here. I'm just gonna hang. Just fold it back on the other side. Make sure it's all aligned.
Enough.
And I'm just going to tie it, because I guess it's enough. And that's probably enough string. completed.
Every time you're taking less string and every time the battery going out. That's okay.
Now just fold it all the way down here. Like this. Okay, now just cut it. And there you go, here's a mask. And I'm going to show you how you can just put it on like this. And there you go.